Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable Active Armor on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Active Armor app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. In the app opens, you will see options for call protection and message protection. Now tap on call and text at the bottom of your screen. Then tap on spam and call routing. Tap the switch to turn it off. When the switch turns gray, call blocking is disabled. Now open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on phone. Once you are on your phone's menu, scroll down and tap on call blocking and identification. Find Active Armor in the list and turn the switch off. This step is very important. It makes sure Active Armor is fully disabled. After these steps, Active Armor will no longer block calls or messages on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.